Imagine waking up tomorrow. You open your front door, and the package waiting outside wasn't delivered by a human. Your morning coffee was prepared by a machine at the hospital. A humanoid robot is helping doctors save lives. Across the city, factories are running through the night with almost no human workers. It sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, this future is already being built, and sooner than most people realize, it could completely change the way we live, work, and survive. For more than a century, humans have dreamed of building machines that could think, move, and work just like us. For decades, that dream remained trapped inside laboratories. Robots were powerful, but they couldn't adapt. They couldn't understand the world around them. Then, artificial intelligence changed everything. Today, some humanoid robots can recognize faces, carry heavy equipment, navigate crowded environments, learn new tasks, and even hold simple conversations. The biggest technology companies in the world are now racing toward the same goal: to build the first truly useful humanoid robot. Some experts believe this industry could become even bigger than the smartphone revolution. The question is no longer, will robots become part of our lives? The real question is, how soon? Today, we're counting down the 10 most advanced humanoid robots that could reshape humanity before 2030. Let's begin. At number 10, EngineAI PM01. Every robotics revolution needs a challenger, not a company with unlimited resources, but a company willing to question how humanoid robots should move. Meet EngineAI PM01. At first glance, PM01 doesn't look dramatically different from other humanoid robots, but the real story begins the moment it starts moving. Unlike many early humanoid robots that walked slowly and cautiously, PM01 was designed to move with remarkable speed, fluidity, and balance. Its natural walking style, fast reactions, and agile body control show just how quickly humanoid locomotion is improving. But movement alone isn't enough. The true challenge is combining mobility with intelligence. A robot must not only walk, it must understand where to walk, avoid obstacles, recover from unexpected situations, and interact safely with people. That's exactly where companies like EngineAI are investing their future. While PM01 is still earlier in its commercial journey than some of the larger competitors, its rapid progress sends a clear message. The next breakthrough in robotics may not come from the biggest company. It could come from the fastest innovator. Number 9. Digit, Agility Robotics. If you've ever ordered something online, you've already experienced one of the world's biggest problems. Warehouses are under enormous pressure. Millions of packages need to be sorted, moved, and delivered every single day. Now imagine replacing the most repetitive physical work, not with conveyor belts, but with a robot that walks like a human. Meet Digit, developed by Agility Robotics. Digit wasn't built to impress people with flashy tricks. It was built for one purpose: to solve real-world problems. Unlike traditional warehouse machines, Digit can walk through spaces designed for humans, carry containers, lift packages, avoid obstacles, and keep working hour after hour. Its unique reverse-jointed legs aren't just unusual to look at. They're designed to provide exceptional balance and stability while carrying loads. What makes Digit truly important isn't what it can do today. It's what it represents. For the first time, humanoid robots are leaving research laboratories and entering real commercial warehouses. Companies are already testing robots like Digit to reduce repetitive work, improve efficiency, and help address growing labor shortages. This isn't the future anymore. It's already happening. Number 8, Neo Gamma, 1X Technologies. Imagine coming home after a long day before you even ask. Dinner is already on the table. The living room is clean. The groceries have been put away, and an elderly family member has been safely looked after all day, not by another person, but by a humanoid robot. Meet Neo Gamma. Developed by 1X Technologies, Neo represents one of the boldest visions in modern robotics. While most humanoid robots are designed for factories, Neo was designed for homes. Its purpose isn't to replace human relationships. It's to handle the everyday tasks that consume our time. cleaning, carrying household items, helping elderly people, and assisting with simple daily routines. But creating a robot for the home is far more difficult than building one for a factory. A house is unpredictable. Children are running around. Pets move unexpectedly. Furniture changes position. Every day is different. For a robot to operate safely in that environment, it must understand the world almost the way humans do. That's exactly the challenge companies like UBTECH are trying to solve, if they succeed. The idea of having a personal robot assistant may no longer belong to science fiction. It could become part of everyday life. Number 7. UBTECH Walker S2. Step inside a modern factory, and you'll see machines working with incredible precision. Now imagine replacing many of those repetitive jobs with humanoid robots that can walk through the same doors, use the same tools, and work alongside human employees. That's the vision behind Walker S2, created by UBTECH Robotics. Walker S2 was designed to operate in environments built for people. It can climb stairs, open doors, carry equipment, manipulate objects with remarkable precision, and navigate complex spaces using advanced sensors and AI, unlike traditional robotic arms that remain fixed to one location. Walker can move freely throughout an entire workplace. That flexibility could completely change modern manufacturing. Instead of redesigning factories for robots, companies can build robots that adapt to factories already designed for humans. As industries continue facing labor shortages, machines like Walker may soon become an essential part of the global workforce, not replacing every worker, but making human workers safer, more productive, and more efficient than ever before. Number 6. Apollo Aptronic. What if the person standing beside you on a factory floor wasn't actually a person? Meet Apollo. Created by the American robotics company Aptronic, Apollo represents a completely different vision for the future. Instead of separating robots from humans behind safety cages, Apollo was designed to work safely alongside people. It can lift heavy equipment, transport materials, operate in manufacturing environments, and perform physically demanding tasks without getting tired. But Apollo's real innovation isn't its strength, it's its design philosophy. Every movement, every joint, and every safety feature was created with human collaboration in mind. As industries around the world struggle with labor shortages, robots like Apollo may help workers rather than replace them. Imagine factories where humans focus on creativity, problem solving, and decision making, while robots handle repetitive physical labor. That future may be much closer than we think. Number 5. Unitree G1. For years, one of the biggest challenges in robotics wasn't intelligence, it was movement. Walking across uneven ground, keeping perfect balance, recovering after being pushed. These are things humans do without thinking. For robots, they're incredibly difficult. That's exactly why. The Unitree G1 has captured so much attention, developed by Unitree Robotics. The G1 proves that powerful humanoid robots don't have to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, standing at a more practical size. And designed with dozens of advanced joints, the G1 can walk naturally, climb, maintain balance, and perform complex full-body movements with remarkable stability. What shocked many robotics experts wasn't just how well it moved, it was the price. By making humanoid robots more affordable, Unitree is pushing the entire industry toward faster adoption. The question is no longer whether companies can build humanoid robots. The question is, how quickly can they build millions of them? Number 4. Sanctuary AI Phoenix. Imagine hiring a new employee. On the first day, they know almost nothing, but every week, they become faster, smarter, more experienced. Now imagine a robot learning the same way. That's the vision behind Phoenix, developed by Sanctuary AI. Phoenix wasn't designed to repeat one fixed task forever. Its goal is something far more ambitious: to become a general-purpose worker capable of learning thousands of different skills. Instead of rewriting software every time a new job appears, engineers train Phoenix much like they would train a human employee. Watch, practice, improve, repeat. That learning process is one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern robotics, because the future won't belong to robots that memorize instructions. It will belong to robots that can understand new situations, adapt, and continue improving throughout their working lives. If companies achieve that goal, humanoid robots could eventually become as flexible as human workers themselves. Number 3. Boston Dynamics Atlas. For nearly 2 decades, one name has dominated the world of humanoid robotics: Atlas, created by Boston Dynamics. Atlas became famous for doing something that once seemed impossible: running, jumping, climbing, balancing, even recovering after falling. Every new demonstration pushed the limits of what engineers believed a humanoid machine could do. But Atlas has entered a completely new chapter. The newest all-electric version is no longer just a research project. It's being developed with real industrial applications in mind. Its movements are faster, smoother, more efficient, and powered by years of experience in robotics engineering. Watching Atlas in motion almost feels like watching a human athlete, but behind every movement are thousands of engineering decisions, advanced control systems, and artificial intelligence working together in real time. Atlas isn't simply showing what's possible, it's proving that humanoid robots are rapidly moving from laboratory experiments to real-world tools. And that's exactly why it remains one of the most influential robots ever created. Number 2. Figure 03. What if one day you could simply speak to a robot the same way you speak to another person? No complicated programming, no remote controls, just a normal conversation. That's the future Figure AI is working toward. Meet Figure 03. Built as a general-purpose humanoid robot, Figure 03 combines advanced robotics with powerful artificial intelligence designed to understand natural language, reason through tasks, and improve its performance over time. Its goal isn't to master just one job. It's to become useful across thousands of different jobs, from manufacturing and logistics to retail, healthcare, and eventually, even inside our homes. One of Figure's biggest advantages is its focus on learning, instead of performing the exact same movement forever. It is being developed to adapt when situations change, pick up a new object, use a different tool, or complete a task it has never seen before. That level of flexibility has long been considered one of robotics' greatest challenges. If Figure succeeds, it won't simply be another impressive machine. It could become one of the first truly practical humanoid robots ever created. Number 1. Tesla Optimus. When Tesla revealed its first humanoid robot, many people laughed. Some called it a publicity stunt. Others believed it would never leave the stage. But only a few years later, that conversation has completely changed. Meet Tesla Optimus. Unlike traditional industrial robots, Optimus is not being designed for a single repetitive task. Tesla's vision is far more ambitious. A robot that can learn, adapt, and eventually perform thousands of different physical jobs. From carrying materials inside factories to assisting with repetitive work that humans often describe as dangerous, dirty, or simply exhausting. What gives Tesla an advantage isn't just robotics, it's artificial intelligence. For years, Tesla has trained AI systems to understand roads, traffic objects, and complex environments through millions of miles of driving data. Now, many of those same AI principles are being applied to Optimus. Every new demonstration shows better balance, more precise hand movements, and greater independence. Tesla's long-term ambition is enormous. Elon Musk has repeatedly argued that humanoid robots could become one of the company's most important products, potentially even larger than its vehicle business if they achieve widespread adoption. That remains a vision rather than a certainty, but it shows how seriously Tesla views the future of humanoid robotics. Whether that future arrives in 5 years or 21 thing is becoming increasingly clear. Tesla isn't building another robot, it's betting on an entirely new economy. Take a moment. Not long ago, humanoid robots could barely stay on their feet. Today, they can recognize objects, carry equipment, navigate complex environments, work inside real factories, and continue learning from experience. But perhaps the biggest transformation isn't happening inside the robots, it's happening inside us. For the first time in history, humanity isn't just creating better tools. We're creating machines designed to work beside us. The future won't be decided by technology alone. It will be decided by how wisely we choose to use it. Will humanoid robots eliminate dangerous jobs, create entirely new industries, and improve millions of lives? Or will they force society to rethink what work purpose and human value truly mean? No one knows the complete answer. But one thing is beyond doubt: the race has already begun. Governments are investing, companies are competing, engineers are building, and history is unfolding right now. The future isn't waiting for us, we're already living the first chapter. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Nexa Mind. Every day, we explore the technologies that are shaping tomorrow. Artificial intelligence, robotics, space, future science, and the innovations changing our world. Now tell us, which humanoid robot do you believe will have the biggest impact on humanity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Because the next decade may become the most important technological era in human history. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary.